I'm making this video because I just passed my theory exam. I just got my folio rosa, all with the help and assistance of Mr. Ambrish. I'm so happy. I don't know how to express my joy. Ambrish have done very well for me. Since I joined this class till now, he's been so good to us, the students. He teaches us best and easy way. Best and easy way. I can bet my life on that. Best and easy way to get your license, your Italian license. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to know how to speak Italian language before you can get this license, like most of us think. No, Ambrish makes it easy for you. He explains everything down to the lowest part of the license. He explains everything. He explains everything. He explains everything. And there's something he always tells us, that he will never leave us until we get the license. I'm so happy, and I will advise my Nigerian people to go and learn from him, because he does magic. He does magic. He does magic. He does magic. I will never ever believe that I can pass this exam so easily like this. So easy. So easy. So easy. I'm a living testimony. I'm from Nigeria. We are doing. It doesn't really matter where you are from. Just follow Ambrish. Follow Ambrish. Anything he tells you to do, do. Eventually you will pass. Thank you, Mr. Ambrish. I'm so grateful for everything. I don't know how to express my feelings right now. I'm so happy. Thank you very much.